What do you think about that? You need. It's very good for me to see ES chat, bro. I I need to connect that. I need to see how it's working, how it's moving, everything, bro. It's very good for me to have two chats, right? It's a good leverage, bro. I can see two chats. I can see MES in the laptop. So I can see MES in the laptop. And I can see MES in the application. So NASDAQ in my application. That would be great thing. But I know one thing for sure. I'm not. So you have MES here. I can full screen that. Full screen, okay. So we have MES right here. So we just need to go to 3 minutes and put it like this. So we don't have any bias. You just like to see what's going on here. That's it. This is our MES. It's just going on. And this is our MNQ. Let me share my screen first. I don't think so. Sharing the screen. Okay, all good. Time is 9:15 right here. So let me see, is there any data for today I can focus on? Yeah, man, 8:30 there was a very big news, like one, two news, and 10 a.m. we have the news. Fine, bro. Today will be a good day. 10 a.m. we have the news. Okay, today we have a lot of news, bro. Okay, let me see the price action from daily. Yes. So from the daily perspective, what we are seeing here is this is our daily range, right? Nice push. Swap this liquidity, drop down. Okay, all good. Drop down, close above. So this is the price start to react. So this is our. So if we want to plot this out, price reacting out of the constant encouragement of this wick. Price drop down all the way down and reacting off of the consequent encouragement of this wick and go higher. Beautiful, right? That's beautiful. So I don't know. It's just come back and sweep this low, or else it's go all the way up and take this high and expecting to go to higher time frame drop. I don't know exactly what is going to happen, but as of now, it's respecting this consequent encroachment and it's start trade higher, and neither the high nor the low has been taken yet. That's a good and good phrase also. I'm not even using this phrase for a while, right? Yeah. Okay. So next, what happened? This is our 4 hour chat. So in our 4 hour chat, we have anything special? Mm, liquidity speed. We have a really good drop to the downside, but it is not from a time frame chart. So nice inversion, nice drop, and it's open up this gap. Nice reaction out of this gap, like this gap. Then what happened? It started reverse its direction. Okay, sounds very nice. me revisiting this spot one more time. Okay. This is an important level, right? This is something important level drawing. It's getting swept wide, break, retest, draw. Now it's going to this level. Let me check, and there is nothing here for me to think it's going to go higher. Okay. If I go to 1 hour time frame, what's going on right here? First, price need to flip this in order to go here, right? Price not even flip here, but price start to react here and drop all the way down, take this low. So if I plot the whole range price reach the equilibrium level align this internal chain and then swap the swing and drop lower. So what you can see here is this leave this liquidity. So don't let about that for a moment. So it's a nice accumulation here, nice break and drop down. And again reaccumulation here, straight all the way up, swept this high, and we are about to get this inversion. So if we get the inversion, we can obviously expect the price to drop down to this range. But before that, I need to see this fellows to flip right. This is the fellows which we have. This is which we need to consider. If you want to see lower prices, I like to see this to flip. If it's not flipping, means it's may go higher and reaching this level. If it's not holding, we can expect higher prices. Get all the way up, sweep this high, drop down to this valley gap. Sounds good. And this clearly seems like a trend line activity. Obviously, it's not a trend line activity here, right? Let me see what's going to happen. If we move to 15 minutes, you can identify that. Price swept the high, drop lower, take these highs, take these lows, and we also have this kind of averages. Nothing much to think. Oh, 8:30? Okay. 8:30 news. Right, data candle low has been taken off. 10 o'clock we do have news. Let's wait for that. So what is my draw on liquidity for today? No. Till this point, I don't know what is my draw on liquidity. I don't know whether the price is going to go up or whether the price is going to go down. That's the problem for now. As of now, what's going on here is price go all the way up. Like what happened here is nice drop and this the huge drop for last day. Like yesterday, it's a huge drop at the market open, right? It has been taken now. So accumulated here. distributed respecting this level and again drop down, fail to take this low. So not even a single low has been taken here. And it's go all the way up, take this high. And you can clearly see it's um, hold on, market open. And you can clearly see this is a data candle at 8:30. Market open, it's lower. So as you can clearly see, it's the data candle and go all the way up, take the buy side, some sort of internal buy side, and price after the price start to drop all the way down towards this low, take this low, and it seems like keep on dropping. I got this inversion break, and let me see what's going to happen in these things. You can see we got inversion, we got a big displacement out of this level, and yeah, so you have the gaps. So probably you can expect this would be definitely the drop for today. Interval has been this in for the whole swing. This high has been taken. Price after that, what happened? Inversion, big displacement. So we can expect the price to drop to this level. So we want to see beautiful. Great. So London session. So drop down or probably this gap. So the London low. This is the Asian low. This is the London low. And another break and displays. Take the buy side. Then what? Change the state of delivery, right? Change the state of delivery. Getting tagged. Drop all the way down to the data low. It's around 8:30, 9:30. Drop all the way down. Market open. Drop down. Clear out the London low here. London low has been swept. In 15 minutes, we are still holding out this 5 here, right? Nice drop. How can I buy the market, bro? There's no point for me to buy the market. London was swept. They are holding out this 5 here. And what about this? What about this? So it's come all the way down and take this low, then it's okay, but it's let me see. Okay, bro. If it's hold, I can target and this is my target. If it inversion, so if I'm entering this position, what is my target should be? To this level, to the premium level of this. Like this is where the change the state, the firewall get getting tapped, right? So this is where I can expect the price to go. But it's completely rejecting out of the firewall again. We got the inversion. Okay. 15 minutes. Equivalence trade higher. 1 hour. Okay. Take profit smashed. Take profit smashed, bro. It's very simple, easy, straightforward method. That's it. Market open, liquidity sweep. We got an inversion here. I traded here to the top of this place, expecting this gap to fill, which is 1 is to 1.17 for me. And if it's not, if it's get ran through, I can target higher prices, especially to which point I don't know. Can find nothing here. What the fuck is going on here? Still, it's not moving up. Let me check what's going to happen inside this. What is wow? See the warning there, bro. As far as it's going tablet, this is the whole thing happened after this change the sheet and this is green fair value up here. As soon as it sweeps some sort of liquidity, as soon as its market opens swept the London low, we got a clean inversion entered to the stop at this point, just 49 points, and I'm expecting the price to go 47, which is on this one, to this fair value to this early align with this breaker, so I targeting this point. So as soon as I see a tag, okay, fine, beautiful. Let me check further. Take out hit, bro. Within a matter of 3-4 minutes. Easy, simple, straightforward. Mandala sweat. We got a clean inversion. You know, the unfilled earlier. We entered here to the start of this place and targeting this. Next two candles, boom, 2 minutes. In a matter of 2 minutes, it's hit the target. Not even two, 1.5 minutes. Next 2.5 minutes, it's hit my target. That's it. If I'm putting 10 contracts, we are up only one. Fair enough. And it's zero drawdown, right? zero drawdown, nothing happened. It smashed the take of it. Big 500s. So beautiful. So we have to delete this and see what's going on. This is where you got more confidence starting everything as well, right now. Market open, it gave a really nice interview. Market open, drop all the way down, sweep all the liquidity, and every file kept falling. And we got what? We got a boom holding. We're just waiting here, right? Holding. Wait for a clean inversion. So I entered here to stop at this point. Targeting not crazy, the swing high, something like that. The break with this, the breaker with this fellow here, and it's clearly get tapped. So you can clearly see that how beautifully it respect the consequent encroachment and drop down this fellow here. Go and tap the consequent encroachment, tap this breaker, and it's rebalancing this gap. Let me check. The problem with me is there is no clear draw on liquidity for me. I don't find draw on liquidity clearly here. That's one main thing. Uh, Price respect. So what we can do is we can enter. This is my breaker. This is my, and I will target my next target would be this one. Am I right? These are all crazy, right? That's all my entry model, bro. That's a good criteria, but I need to wait for my level to present my 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 model to present. Inside that five value, I like to see this kind of reactions. So I like to see this kind of nice reactions. So I can enter as soon as price trade above this level. I entered my position to stop at this. That's a nice thing. That's a good thing to do. But right now, this is not the level should I focus on, bro. I don't want to trade this. This I don't know the draw pretty clearly, right? Let me see in 5 minutes. Is there anything for me to go look up for? Okay. Market open, manipulating levels, swept the low. If you get this inversion with this change in the state of delivery, we can expect this would be the draw for the day. But we have some on hourly fair value gap right here. And 15 minutes, we don't find anything variable. So we are dropped down holding this swept all this low, but is holding all the fair value gaps. If we break above and created something for me, I can expect this high to take, right? This will be my drop for buy. So this will be my buy for draw for buy. If I want to sell, this is my draw sell side. So it's based on this thing. If it's hold, if that's break, if it's hold the price, I will expect this to take. It can go to 1 minute. 3 minutes, yeah. Nice push. Nice area getting tapped. Let me see who's getting respected, who's getting disrespected. That's it. Drop down, data low has been taken. Yeah, 5 minutes. Yeah, we created a gap here. Not getting tabbed. Mm, if this fellow respected, if this fellow getting disrespected, we can expect higher prices for the day. If this fellow holding the price or it just swept the high and just print the market make a sell model, we can target this clean in the daily liquidity. I don't have a solid draw liquidity for the day, bro. This is just a quick scalping entry. You can get this entry, can get this entry here and put the close it here. That's how you need to trade, especially in future community. Let me see what's going to happen inside this 3 minute. Go to 1 minute. Let me see what's going to happen inside this 3 minute. So so we have to wait, bro. 10 o'clock. We have great news, right? We have great news. We have to wait and check. Damn. Actually, it's a very good entry, though. Really good catch. Nice entry. Put the stop. 1:1. Boom. Close. Not great. If you are risking 1%, making 1% out of it, done for the day, all good. Just very quick entry for the day. Market open. Red and low swept. We got a clean inversion here. Okay, now it started pumping up. Oh, it's slow, right? Okay. Yeah, I'm then putting this good. I need to see ES. I thought what the fuck is going on in ES, but it's actually my mistake. Consolidating after this move, it's consolidating too. It's kind of respecting this level here, nice respect. And oh fuck, we got nice inversion after this level. Inversion, inversion, bro. Fucking good inversion. So this time we oh 9:49. How about the 15 minutes kind of? It's super good, right? You get a break of this level. So next kind of go on. Respecting this gap, respecting this inversion. Let me check. Yeah, almost inverted, not completely, but almost 1 minute. So 1 minute open up this gap. Let me see how it's going to react. Bro, 10 o'clock we have the news, bro. Nice rejection. Nice. We got a clean innovation. Trade higher. One minute. Trade into the 1 minute. Nice rejection so far. See there, yo. How beautifully it respected this, how beautifully it inverted this, how beautifully it's holding this value gap, holding this gear. So so 10 o'clock we do have news, bro. What kind of position I can choose before 10 o'clock? Fuck. I'm just watching the price. I'm not going to do anything. This should be the good entry. Put the stop and target this. Not this. Target this. That's just quick scalp. Reasonable target. And what happened? Let's keep on holding. Oh, it's inverted this gap. Phew, 4 minutes, bro. So technically, I want to long here, right? Okay. Why I'm planning for long there? Simple. If the market want to go lower, it should hold the price. Why? It's already tapped the breaker, tapped this fair value gap, and we got a clean inversion with this fair value gap. If it's flipped means it's holding the price but failed to close below this range. Instead, it invert this candle or this break. So I like to see this break to hold the price, and it's also in form the gap fair value gap here. And so I expect the price to push higher. Okay. So expect this value gap to hold and push the price higher towards this side. If it's not happened, means you're fucked up. Nice respect. Nice respect, bro. Nice respect out of this value gap. Beautiful respect. Beautiful respect. Almost entering this trade, right? Almost entering this trade. Nice respect, bro. Beautiful respect so far. Beautiful. Okay. Stopped out. Stopped out, bro. Accept that. Stopped out. So I get stopped out. I got stopped out right there. Got it. I got stopped out right there. I just want to mark this. Place a very tiny position for the future reference. For the future reference, bro. That's it. Still holding. What happened in 5 minutes? Don't think about all time frame. Just focus on two time frame. So nothing happened, bro. Look at this feed. You got this image. This is a data candle, but it's rate of delivery, and it's rebalanced to this break, to this break, right? To this break, plus to this 5 minutes in earlier. Nice respect. Drop down. Please fail to break this level so far. It's kind of accumulating here. We'll do it later. So, and as you can clearly see, we don't find anything so far yet. It's kind of accumulating here. It's not taking this high, it's not breaking this low. Move down. This 3 minutes still holding the price. Trade all the way up, drop all the way down to this 3 minutes, still holding. This initial break was this 3 minutes still holding. But what happened here? Tap. We got this nice inversion. So people who are trapped in this cell, everyone getting trapped, right? But whoever bought this taking high, would you drop? Would you, and then this parallel gap got inverted, and inside this range get trapped, and again it get inverted here, created a gap here, nice reaction out of it, trap. So the thing is, the irony is, you are not allowed to trade here, bro. You are not allowed to trade here. You are allowed to trade here. You are allowed to trade here. You are allowed to trade here. These are the levels you can predict the market in a very good way. At least you can get some good entries. Here, this is nothing, bro. If you want to enter here, you should sit on your hands in 5 minutes and see what's going on. So what about in 15 minutes? So the 15 minutes time frame, see, you got a clean, not a clean. You can say this is a clean. Hmm, it's still holding. Okay. And I could not find any side, bro. I could not take any side so far. But this is so sweet, right? This is so sweet. Why this is so sweet? Market open, liquidity is getting swept, and we wait for this gap to flip, and it's close 50% above 50%, bro. As soon as it's close above 50%, you can enter the price with the stop and expecting the next candle to flip. If not, we are not good. We are not right. 50% is close above 50% is in a candle boom, inverted, trade all the way up to my expected point. My expected point, bro. If I'm in this trade for 10 o'clock, come on, bro, 10 o'clock. If I'm in this trade and I'm adamant to hold the trade all the way up to this point because of some various reason, because this break and finally I'm not going to hold some reason, I want to I want to just holding this trade here. What happened here? Nice rejection. So we most probably expect this to hold. Got ran through. So most probably we try to stop to some point we get stopped out because no one going to put the stop here. Most of the cases, no one going to put the stop here. If they are, all good. And raise not raise this spot, and you can clearly see that initial inversion completely hold the price. That initial inversion completely hold the price. Boom. Here at one point we got the inversion also drop down. Boom. So that initial inversion still holding the price. There is no price close below. Okay. And we don't find any direction. So kind of like we don't get much reactions, right? It's a lot of news, but I don't find much reactions. So what is the I don't have a clean draw. How can I take entry? You got my point, right? So this 3 minutes continuously holding the price, bro. This 3 minutes continuously holding the price. So if I'm go to 5 minutes, mm, mm, what the fuck is going on, bro? Almost 30, 45 minutes. It's nothing happened. The 10 o'clock happened, right? Let me see the 10 o'clock candle. Okay, okay. This is a 10 o'clock high. This is the 10 o'clock 6 to 10 high and low. Okay. I don't know which side market going to take. It's close right here, bro. It's kind of indecision candle. I kind of wanted to go bearish because it's a clean break, retest drop, and clean internal sweep. So I'm expecting this is my draw for the day. That should be that's something makes some sense, but unfortunately this fellow's holding the price right. That 1 hour still holding right. Swept drop down 1 hour, beautifully holding the price. And when 15 minutes, what they are doing? We are swept, but the body stayed above. So we are technically holding this price, right? So 1 minute, 3 minute, I don't fucking know, bro. I don't fucking know what to do. Let the place clear. Till late and high tension.